Hey, what's up guys, Vic with PhoneArena here, and today we have the new Samsung Galaxy A9 2018 and we're testing its video recording capabilities. So let's go, follow me around. Now this phone has not one, not two, not three, but four different cameras. And right now we're recording with the main camera. In 4K, unfortunately, you don't have video stabilization. So you only have the regular camera here recording. So now you also can switch to the telephoto lens by tapping the screen. You have 2 times zoom, 2 times optical zoom with the secondary telephoto camera. Now you also have an ultra wide angle camera, but unfortunately it's disabled for video, so you cannot record with it. And the fourth camera is a depth camera again, which is no use in video. Now what we'll do is move the phone up and down slowly, panning around to see how it adjusts to different light, to brighter scenes and to darker parts of the scene. Okay, and now we'll move closer here and we'll test the continuous autofocus feature, which is a bit slow on this phone. So let's test this here on the tree, trying to focus on the tree bark, and then on the background. Once again, the tree, you can see that it takes a bit of time, and then on the background, and one last time on the tree and the background, and back to me. So this was a quick test of the video cameras, video recording on the Samsung Galaxy A9 2018. Thanks for watching.